there everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Designed by Deshe. I am Audrey Deshe, and today we are going to make a spooky Halloween 3D pumpkin centerpiece. Check out my other centerpiece video that's linked in the description box below to see how I put the 3D pumpkin together, and now we are going to fill and decorate it. I'm using gray canopy draping left over from a witch hat wreath, and that is serving as my spooky floor. And I'm just clearing out a little bit of space to hot glue this plaque down to the plaque that is serving as the base to the centerpiece. I'm using a very liberal amount of glue here because I want to make sure that everything sticks and stays in place before I start filling the rest of the centerpiece. Today I'm challenging myself on making this centerpiece using the last of what I have left over from my last Halloween Dollar Tree haul. I've completed a fair number of projects, so I'm down what I have left, and I think it still turned out really good, even for being pretty minimalist by my standards. If you've watched any of my other Halloween craft videos, then you will recognize most of what's left here because that's what's left over from those projects. So we have the tarantula, the jack-o'-lantern on a stick that I've removed the stick from, and now I'm using the last of the purple and orange mesh, the last of the purple tubing, and the last of the chenille stems to make a poof, just like I did in the witch hat wreath. To make the poof, I'm just gathering everything together, binding it with that chenille stem, and then I'll use that same stem to tie everything to the pumpkin. I popped an extra eyeball in there that I had left over to make it a little more festive. And the star of today's show is definitely going to be these orange and black glitter stems. I did not use them heavily in my other projects, so I have a ton left over, so they are going to really shine on this spooky pumpkin. I really wanted to focus on having these stems kind of climb the outside of the pumpkin like vines, since I don't have a lot of other things to decorate the outside with. After securing them to the pumpkin, I spent a lot of time manipulating them to get the effect that I wanted. With that part done, I moved on to, finishing up the decorations that I could with what I had. So I added this spider. I did cut out pieces of the glitter stem and glued them to the outside of the pumpkin. And I added that poof and a few little flower bundles. And then I'm going to zoom in so that you can see I added a few things to that creepy, mossy flooring. There's some eyeballs in there, along with our jack-o'-lantern, a few black rosebuds. I did throw some of the orange and black glitter stems in there as well, so everything's just kind of sparkling. You're seeing that orange bow with that little skull on it from two other projects. So this really was an amalgamation of everything that I've done so far, and even with it being so minimalist, I absolutely love this, guys. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Your support means everything, and as I'm just starting out, I could definitely use the love. So, thank you guys for taking the time to even hang out on my channel. I really hope you like this spooky centerpiece as much as I loved making it. It is now one of my favorites, even though it was made out of leftover Dollar Tree items. I can't wait for the next one, and I will see you guys there.